Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and then scroll down to find the wallpaper section. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the wallpapers from which we can choose. They will be available if you will have the internet connection. So basically, all you have to do is to simply scroll in order to find the wallpaper you like, and in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got more options to choose from, which are connected with the previous photo we've chosen. So as you can see, you can pick something really pretty. Under it, we've got also some recommended options, which are also pretty similar to the chosen one. So basically just pick the one you like the most and set it as a wallpaper. So let me pick, for example, this one. Just tap on it in order to check the preview. As I said, it will be shown on the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. I don't want to turn on the carousel, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied. We can go back and check, and this is how our home screen and the lock screen looks like. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.